So today I'm going to be showing us how to use the tracking option, how you can track your shipment as a customer. So all you just need to do is to come to our website, that is africanis.com, and it brings you to this page. Here you have the login, the get a quote, and the track. So you just click on track. Once you click on track, it brings you to a page. So it says, please select an option. Are you shipping to Nigeria or shipping from Nigeria? So this is an export shipment. So all you just need to do is to key in the tracking number. That's the waybill number, and you track. So once you click on track, it updates and it brings you all the information about that shipment and the tracking details. So currently, this is where this shipment is at the moment. So this is the simple way to track your shipment. Thank you very much.